Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread matcha. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash 3 very ripe bananas in a large bowl until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This ensures an even distribution of dry ingredients for a perfect texture. Now to your mashed bananas, add 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir until fully combined. Next, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly incorporate your dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Overmixing can lead to a tough loaf. For that unique matcha twist, sift 2 tablespoons of ceremonial-grade matcha powder directly into your batter. Gently fold it in using a spatula until the vibrant green color is uniformly distributed throughout. Be careful not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much. This step is crucial for achieving that distinct, earthy matcha flavor in every slice. Pour your beautifully green batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a moist, delicious loaf ready to be enjoyed with your favorite beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.